had hiccups a lot this week. Driving me nuts. Driving me nuts. I wanted to.
Huh?
Maybe if I hiccup loud enough, one of the nurses will come in. What's going on? I'm dying. I got hiccupitis. Excuse me.
Ow.
It might not help. Did it work?
Dr. Mellon, Dr. Mellon.
Aww. I feel like hiccuping Eskimo.
Oh, crap.
No, it's called hiccups.
I died.
I used to have a red one like that, but I broke it.
How did you break it?
I don't know, I smashed it somehow.
Yeah, you got in my head and smashed it.
No, I carried my purse a lot and I must have dropped my purse. I think I've suffered enough hiccups for one day.